Magandang araw po sa ating lahat at sa ating mga members. Ako po si Christy Espada, currently serving in the Education and Training Committee. And today, I humbly presenting myself as a candidate of the Audit Committee. I decided to run for the Audit Committee because I believe that integrity, accountability, and transparency are the strong foundation for a strong cooperative. So as part of the Education and Training Committee, I promote awareness, compliance, and good governance. So, nang dahil po sa mga training at sa mga member engagement, nakita ko po kung gaano ka-importante na ang bawat peso na mayroon ang ating cooperative ay kailangan siyang maprotektahan, mapangalagaan, at mamanage ng maayos. This is the best time for me to extend my service to a position na kung saan nangangailangan ng safeguard ng ating financial health. So, my advocacy for the Audit Committee is una, straighten transparency. So, siguraduhin po natin na ang ating audit report, financial report ay tama, clear at madaling maintindihan ng ating mga members. Second advocacy ko po ay preventive auditing. So, hindi po natin antayin na magkaroon ng problema ang ating cooperative bago kumilos. Tinitiyak po natin na nasa tamang sistema, may kompletong dokumento at may tamang proseso. Pangatlong advocacy is connect audit with education. So, ang audit committee ay hindi lang taga-check ng record, nag-check ng mali or naghahanap kung sino nagkakamali. Kung bagkos gumagawa po siya ng gabay, solution, kung paano maiwasan, mapigilan at hindi na maulit yung pagkakamali. I understand that serving in the audit committee is a serious responsibility na nagre-requires ng integrity, attention sa mga details, and willingness to stand firm is necessary. But I'm ready to commit my knowledge, my experience, and my time to serving that role. So, ang audit committee ay hindi lang isang position but a service and strengthening trust and protecting kung ano man po yung meron ang ating cooperative ngayon. So, lahat po tayo, i-build po natin ang ating cooperative na hindi lang basta successful, but transparent and trusted by all. Ako po muli si Christy Espada na humihingi sa inyo ng suporta at sabay-sabay po natin i-build ang isang cooperative na hindi lang maging successful, kundi maging credible, transparent, and trusted by all. Thank you.